Hello students, this is Monica Chiller. Welcome to the YouTube channel of Shri Rama Bharati Public School. In this video, we will be discussing with chapter 1 of 11th class. The name of the chapter is Nature and Purpose of Business. First of all, as you can see the blueprint of the syllabus. In 11th class, in total 10 chapters are there. The whole book is divided into two parts. Part A, that is Foundations of Business, and Part B, that is Finance and Trade. So the whole book is divided into two parts. First part means Part A includes 6 chapters and Part B includes 4 chapters. Right? The total marks weightage is 100 out of 100. Written examination will be held of 80 marks. So this is the blueprint for 11th business studies. Now this is first topic from chapter 1 about human activities. Let us start with the explanation part. As your subject name is business studies, so business is a kind of activity which is performed by human being. So all the human activities are divided into two parts. One is economic activities, another one is non-economic activities. Economic activities are those activities which are performed for the intention of earning money. I repeat, economic activities are those activities which are performed for the motive of earning money. Reverse to this, non-economic activities are those activities which are not performed for the intention of earning money. Right? It will be clear with the help of examples. Like under economic activities, the terms are business, profession and employment. These are the terms which we will study in detailed form in the continuation of the chapter. Under non-economic, the terms are like religious, parental and social. These are the activities which are performed for the psychological satisfaction, we can say. I repeat, non-economic activities are performed just to get self-satisfaction or psychological satisfaction. Like somebody is doing charity, donation is given somewhere, and like suppose your parents are paying fee in the school, your mother is cooking food for you people. What is it? It is a kind of parental activity. I am doing for my family, for my kids. So all the parental activities comes under non-economic activities because there is no charge against these activities. We need not to pay to the parent for their concern. In the same way, suppose if someone is doing something for society, for the upliftment or welfare of the society, then in return the amount is not received. So all these activities are called non-economic activities in which the amount or money is not received, simply performed just to get the satisfaction. And it's the willingness of an individual whether to perform these activities or not. Right? Now the important part is economic activities. Under economic, the first one is business. Let's understand the meaning of business term. Business is a kind of human activity which is directed towards producing or procuring wealth through buying and selling of goods and services. I repeat, or you can see the definition part on the next slide, that business is a kind of human activity directed towards producing. What kind of production? Production of goods or services. Acquiring wealth. Wealth here means profit. So in total we can say that business is a kind of activity performed by a human being. Under business the production takes place, right, and sale of goods and services takes place. Why this whole process held? Why this process is conducted by the businessman just to gain the amount of profit. I repeat, all the process is adopted just to gain the profit. Profit earning is the main objective of each businessman, right? So this is all about this video. The remaining topics we will discuss very soon in my next video.